Hey everybody, how you doing? Peter Carvell here from sixpackfactory.com. And for this week's coaching video, I'm going to show you another coaching video straight out of one of my premium products called the Shred 10 Challenge. You can check that out at shred10challenge.com. And in this week's coaching video, I'm going to teach you how to develop an exercise habit so that exercise and working out becomes as easy as brushing your teeth. Check it out. Welcome to the coaching for today. Today we're going to talk about strategies to help you make exercise a habit. Now, some of these things we've already spoken about because developing the habits is the same, whether it be for diet, for exercise, or drinking more water. But because this first few days of the final week's coaching is all about exercise, I wanted to share these strategies again so that you can understand how to make exercise a habit. And making exercise a habit is so important, guys. I already spoke about this yesterday. It's just as important as eating healthy and your nutrition, because it can do things for you that no diet can, and a diet can do things for you that no exercise can. So you need to understand that these two things work perfectly together in synergy when they are designed to do so. But exercise has so many benefits, and that is why you need to do it every single day and try and make it a habit. So if that is something that you've been struggling with, then hopefully some of these tips will help you finally get to that point where exercise is as easy as brushing your teeth. Now, the first rule when it comes to exercise is that studies have shown if you want to make exercise a habit, consistency is more important than intensity. That means that it's better for you to go for a 30-minute walk every single day. Okay, that's why we're doing it in this challenge if you're not doing the workouts, but it's better for you to do that than to do an extreme workout once or twice a week, okay? So consistently doing something every single day should be your main priority. But let's now look at a few tips and tricks that will help you actually do that. Number one, do activities or exercise that you enjoy. Remember, we're talking about making it a habit here. Of course, there's specific workouts and stuff you need to do if you want to lose weight or build muscle or increase your performance or optimize your health. But if we are talking about making exercise a habit, it's all about getting you to actually exercise every single day. And one of the best ways to do this is to actually do something that you enjoy doing. Now, number two, the opposite is don't do things that you absolutely hate, because all you will do is develop a hate relationship with exercise, and then you don't want to do any exercise, okay? That's one of the main reasons why so many people hate exercise. They want to lose weight or build muscle, and what they do is they go and buy these extreme workout programs, can't even do the first 5 minutes, and then they're in pain for the next 7 days, and they absolutely hate exercise. So number two, avoid the stuff that you absolutely hate. Number three, we spoke about this during your diet, and that is getting into a schedule. Remember the implementation intention? Go and write down when you're going to exercise every single day. And if it can be the same time every single day, even better. Get into that routine, get into that schedule, because then you'll stick to it more often than not. Number four, focus on taking action, not results. Remember, we're talking once again here about making exercise a habit. And when that is your main goal, it is just about taking action every single day. Once again, it doesn't have to be an extreme workout. It's just about taking that action. So instead of worrying about results or anything like that, focus on just going for a 30-minute walk or doing something you enjoy that's active every single day. The next one is exercising at your own level. We spoke about the Goldilocks rule. I don't know if you can remember, it was week 2. But basically the Goldilocks rule states that people are most motivated when working on tasks to help them achieve their ultimate goal when those tasks are of just manageable difficulty level. In other words, it's not too hard or too easy. It's just at that point where it challenges you. So if an exercise program is too hard for you or too easy for you, it will either demotivate you if it's too hard for you and bore you if it's too easy for you. So adjust your exercise to your own fitness and strength levels. And then the final strategy today is doing something known as chaining. So basically, this is a habit formation strategy and technique. And what you do is you chain your new habit you want to build to a habit you already have. So for example, if you're taking the dog out every morning for a walk, chain that to going for a 20-minute walk rather than just taking the dog outside. Okay, so basically you take a habit you already have and you chain to it a new habit that you want to develop. So there you go, guys, some very effective and powerful strategies to help you make exercise a habit. So if you're still struggling with it, try one or two or all of these strategies so that you can get to that point where exercising every single day is just something you do. That's your coaching for today, guys. Enjoy your day. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.